Hello guys, how are you? I think you are all better by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mahmoud Shamim and I'm here uh, today to give you some informations is all about all day and every day, and what's the difference between all day and every day. Okay, I think friends, you know that very well, but you don't know, I think, the exact meaning of these two words. Today I'm gonna tell you the exact meaning of these two words. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, uh, I would like to say first, all day means what? All day means from morning to night. Okay, and uh, every day. Every day means what? So you should know the exact meaning of every day. So every day means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it may be Friday. Okay. Uh, for better understanding, I wrote here uh, some sentences. Okay, for you. So number one. Okay, Jessica was here all day. Jessica was here all day means Jessica was here morning to night. All day means here morning to night. Okay. Number two, for better understanding, you have worked all day long. Okay. So someone has worked all day long. That means morning to night. Okay, someone has worked morning to night, that means all day. Number three, I think you could understand properly, that's why I'd like to tell one sentence more. I labored all day to look like this. Okay, so all day here also mean morning to night. Okay, number four, I think I would like to say one sentence also for your better understanding. Okay, about all day. Beaver was at Alex's home. Okay, Beaver was at Alex's home all day and having the family together. That means morning to night. Okay, Beaver was there, and I think my friend, uh, you should understand properly about all day. So next I would like to discuss about every day. Okay, every day means what? Every day means Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So I'd like to discuss with sentences. Okay, so number one, John was there every day. So every day means Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, I think you got it my point, and you could understand. uh, Next sentence, I wait when I was born, and every day shows why. So here every day means, I have told you already, Monday, Sunday, uh, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Okay, uh, number three, new scientific discoveries are being made every day. Okay, uh, so every day means same. Okay, that means from it could be from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, uh, I'd like to mention again this sentence: new scientific discoveries are being made every day. uh, I think my friends, you got it my point, and you got some informations about all day and every day. What's the difference between all day and every day? Uh, you could understand properly, okay, from this video. And when you want to use those words in your spoken language, I think you will not mistake, right? From now, remember it. So my friends, that's all for today. I request you all subscribe my YouTube channel, and so that you might get my new videos, okay? And also request you press the bell icon, because when I upload new videos, you can see, okay? That's all for today. Bye for now. Take care.